what is foundation repair and what's it going to look like when it's happening at my home? Hey, I'm Nika. I'm the Foundation Repair Chica with Anchor Foundation Repair, and I am here to just kind of help people who don't really know much about foundation repair, to help them understand in kind of a non-intimidating way of like what this problem is with your home and what it's gonna be like when you're getting it repaired. Oh look, we have a visitor. Come on through, Jaime.
Come on, Jaime.
So I want you to check out this scene right here. We've got some holes all along the perimeter of this home. And what we're going to be doing today is they've actually already poured some piers. And at this point, we're actually ready to start lifting the home up. And so they've set jacks on top of each pier. And what they're going to start doing is the whole crew is going to start jacking up the foundation. So simultaneously at all these different points, they're going to start slowly raising the foundation up. So about every 6 to 7 feet or so is where we have these holes, and that's where the piers are, and that's where everything is going to be lifted from. So I just kind of wanted to show you what it was going to look like when this was all going on. Every night they will cover these holes up because these holes are going to be here at your house for a while. So they do get covered up at night, so don't worry, you're not going to fall into them. And at some point, it'll all be put back and look good.